Alright guys, my previous video we jiggled open the Defined, which has 3 security pins, and we jiggled open Mountain Security. Not sure if it has how many security pins that one has in it, but they're both 5-pin locks. Very common here in America to use these on the front doors. There's a cheapo set of Jiggle Keys, and here is America's most popular lock. 80% of Americans have this particular model, I think it's 660 Kwikset, on their doors. 80% of Americans, that's crazy. This one has pretty good bitting. Let's see how it stands up to the Jiggle Key. I will say the tolerances on these locks is pretty awful. We know this has security pins in, it has 2, which is rubbish, but that's what it has. There we go, we're in, and that took longer than most of the times that I've tried. A couple of times it's just fallen open in a couple of seconds. Now this is America's best selling door lock. If you're in America and you have one of these door locks, do yourself a favour, upgrade, get a much better lock. Don't cheap out on these locks. And if you're in a rental, I know these are on rentals because they're cheap. Again, upgrade, you know, you're living there. I would just upgrade your locks. There you go guys, catch you later.